Welcome to the Kyutech library. Today, we will guide you through the main features of the library. You will learn where it is, how to enter, and how to borrow books. Kyutech has two libraries. The main library on the Tobata Campus, and the Information Engineering Library on the Izuka Campus. In this video, we will focus on the main library, which is used most often by engineering students. From the main gate, walk straight ahead. Turn left at the General Education Building. Then turn right at the Rotary. Walk past the Nakamura Memorial Hall, and you will find the library. This is the Kyushu Institute of Technology Library. The library is open from 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays, and from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturdays. These hours may change during exam periods or vacations. Please check the website or notices inside the library. Oh, it seems someone in front of the entrance is holding their head in confusion. What's wrong? You brought a new student to the library, but you can't enter because of the gate? Let's go in together. To enter, you need your student ID card. Hold your card against the glass panel on the right side of the gate. Please enter one person at a time. Then Kyudora 2. Did you forget your student ID? Do you have your smartphone? Then you're okay. If you forget your student ID, you can still enter with your smartphone. Add the library's official line account, and use the mobile entry pass. Just hold the barcode on your screen, toward the right side panel. Now you're inside. You do not need your student ID when exiting. Simply push the gate bar on the counter side. The library has 4 floors. About 450,000 books and journals are arranged by field from the first to the 3rd floors. On the 1st floor, you will find the bestsellers corner and the job hunting books corner. There are also themed displays. Toward the back is a section with paperbacks and newly arrived magazines. The 1st floor allows conversation. It has flexible seating for group study and large monitors that you can use. This floor also features the supporter desk. Library student supporters, senior Kyutech students, can help you with your studies. Feel free to ask them about classes, assignments, or advice from seniors in your major. The 2nd floor is for quiet study. Talking is not allowed. You will find large desks and individual Corel desks for focused work. The 3rd floor includes quiet seats and private booths for online classes, meetings, or job interviews. These rooms can be reserved in advance. There are also group study rooms on the 2nd and 4th floors. They are used for presentation practice and group work. You can borrow books, journals, and DVDs. Loan periods and limits are shown on screen. To borrow books, use the self-checkout machine. Touch the Borrow button. Follow the instructions. Scan your student ID and place your books on the pad. If everything is correct, touch Borrow again to finish. Some items, such as DVDs, cannot be borrowed through the machine. Please bring them to the counter. You can earn points when you borrow books. Using the Line Shop card, you get a point each day you borrow something. Every 10 points can be exchanged for small items. And with 50 points, you can get a book gift card. Please scan the QR code shown at the end of the checkout screen with your smartphone. To return books, use the drop box near the entrance, or use the return function on the checkout machine. This concludes our introduction to the Kyutech library. Please feel free to stop by any time, whether for studying or taking a break. We look forward to seeing you at the library.